Yeah. Where did you find a feather? Where did you find feather? Goldie, you drinking your water? Pia. Pia. She not paying me any mind, guys. I don't know where she got this feather from. See if I can take it from her. Come here. Osh! Osh! Come, see a feather here. Sit here. Ow! This is a bird feather, guys. This is a bird feather. Ay! I don't know where she got it from, but it's exciting her. It's exciting to her. Pia, you found yourself a toy, girl? You found yourself a toy? Pia, where did you find that? Where did you find the feather? Hi, Sarah. Hey, Sarah. Hi. What's up? You are the star still, you know? You're the star of the show. When since we did that video together? Come here. Come here. When last we did a video together? I can't tell. We need to do a video for the peeps, you know, because it's your show. They're stealing your show. Not you. Not you. Sarah. They are stealing your show. They're stealing the show, you know, Sarah. This is still your show. You still the star. Guys, if you're enjoying these videos, please don't hesitate to hit the like button. Please turn on your post notification bell. You know why? So that you can be notified each time I drop a video, guys. So please go ahead and do that for me. Turn on the bell. Where you subscribe, just tap subscribe and turn on the bell from there, guys, so that anytime I post, you guys can be alerted. So please do that for me. Leave a comment down below, and the crew gonna see you all next time. Peace, guys. Love you all. Bye bye.